The Biden administration's plan to tackle a rise in migration is facing legal challenges.
Migrant advocates have sued over immigration policies set to take effect after Title 42 ended last night. The ACLU and other groups asked a federal court to block new restrictions on asylum seekers. Earlier on CBS Mornings, Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas said the administration's plan will take time to work.
We've been executing on that plan, and we continue to execute on the plan. We knew the transition from the Public Health Authority of Title 42, as we transitioned to our traditional immigration authorities, was going to be tough.
Officials say around 60,000 migrants were waiting at the southern border as the pandemic-era policy ended. CBS News' Homeland Security and Justice reporter Nicole Sganga joins us now. So, Nicole, you know, there's a lot of rhetoric surrounding this issue, as you know, but you are there. You've actually seen what's taking place. What is the situation at the border right now?
Yeah, hi, Elaine. Good to be with you. As the clock approached midnight last night, we toured a popular border crossing here in Brownsville, Texas, across from Matamoros. And U.S. Border Patrol officials tell us there are approximately 22,000 migrants in that region of Tamaulipas, Nuevo Leon, just waiting to cross into the United States. Now, in the darkness, we could see barbed wire, we could see migrant clothing hanging, and the din of lights from migrants' cell phones as they made that final leg of their journey into the United States. Of course, we know U.S. Border Patrol Chief Raul Ortiz told our own Manny Bajorquez that there are approximately 60,000 migrants total along the southwest border just waiting in Mexico to enter now with the lifting of Title 42, despite this sweeping asylum restriction that the Biden administration has put in place. GOP lawmakers that I spoke with at the border last night saying that the Biden administration is inviting a humanitarian crisis to our doorstep. And the concern here in Brownsville, Texas, is certainly humanitarian. Behind me, you can see Fort Monument. That is where pre-processing happens here. Property is sorted. Migrants are fingerprinted. They're then brought to central processing facilities. And after screening for asylum concerns, they're brought to the bus station here where they're dropped off with food, a little bit of legal guidance and not much else. No tickets to get on a bus, just instructions to head out. I spoke with Sister Norma Pimentel. She leads one of the largest charity organizations here in southern Texas, Catholic Charities in the Rio Grande Valley. Take a listen.
The major challenge is making sure that we do have a space where we can bring them in, help them, take care of them so they can contact their families, and their families can go ahead and make arrangements for them to travel to be with them.
And so, again, the concern that migrants could end up on the street should shelter capacity run over. We've already started to see some laying out blankets near the Brownsville bus station.
All right. Certainly, one thing, again, as I said, to have the rhetoric, another to hear your firsthand descriptions of what is taking place there. Nicole Sganga at the border for us. Nicole, thank you.